Good afternoon, Mustang. Sorry this is taking me so long. I had some problems uploading my instructional video to YouTube. So I'm going to go over generally what I want you to do for the next 2 days. First, we did the stuff last Wednesday. So you are looking at the essentials. There's the Articles of Confederation that you need to finish up. And then the other one is it's also the Constitutional Convention. In that, it talks about the Virginia Plan, the Connecticut Plan, and the Three-Fifths Compromise, and you need to know those things for the final assessment. Also, there is an assessment at the bottom of this as well, so keep that in mind. For this week, though, we are going to be looking at the branches of government and checks and balances. So, the hyperdoc is this one. It says branches of government. But you should have a copy of this government chart that'll have your name on it. You're going to fill this in and turn it in along with the hyperdoc. So make sure you have both parts of that. So when I click on the branches of government hyperdoc, you're going to first go to this ThinkLink image, which has a video attached, which is going to tell you a lot about the branches of government, all those different things. There are 3 branches of government. There is the executive branch, the legislative branch, and the judicial branch. You need to know about all 3 of them. So keep that in mind. So you're going to click on this. It's going to send you here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is watch this video. And then it's going to talk about the Constitution and how the government is set up. So the legislative branch makes laws, the executive branch carries laws out, and the judicial branch, sorry, I have a puppy behind me that's bugging me, and the judicial branch interprets laws. So those are the big 3 things you should know about. But watch the video. Make sure you click on all of the links to everything on there. After you do the ThinkLink, or while it's still up, you're going to do the chart. Now, this is the one right here, copy of government chart, that you're going to have a copy of that you need to fill in. So that's your responsibility to make sure that gets filled in using the ThinkLink and the video. After that, you're going to look at checks and balances. Here's a smaller infographic. You have access to these slides, which when you click on them, it's just going to give you information. And it talks specifically about powers that each branch has, how those powers work, and a specific example is impeachment. And so look through those. You don't need to answer anything until you get to this bottom part, and then you're going to write one way the executive branch checks the legislative branch, and then one way the judicial branch checks the legislative branch. So you need to know those things. When you've completed this whole thing, you're going to turn it in. I am giving you 2 days on this. But I will post the other part of the assignments for this week tomorrow. So if you need more time on this, you have today and tomorrow to work on it, because I am posting a little bit late. That's on me. And then you'll also have tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday to finish everything else, and then to do the test. So keep that in mind. So this is the first part for this week, branches of government. You need to make sure that this hyperdoc is filled out. It'll be on this side right here. It'll say your name, branches of government, and then it'll have another one that'll say your name, copy of government chart. So you're going to fill in those 2 things and turn those in for today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My email is mlhorton1@granitesd.org. So give me an email. Let me know if there's any problems. We're excited to start week 2. This is my new co-teacher, Scout. He's cute and fun, but kind of annoying sometimes, especially when I'm doing work. So keep that in mind. Also, I'm trying to keep us really organized, you will notice. So on our Google Classroom page, it has online learning week 1. So that's going to be stuff from last Wednesday. And then all of this stuff from today and tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday and all of that, that's all going to fit under Online Learning Week 2. So keep that in mind. Again, if you have any questions, send me an email. I would love to do that. I'm also going to send out a Google form to get you guys to let me know when you want to meet as a class virtually. So I'll send that out and we'll see what we can do. Okay, guys, miss you. I'll talk to you later.